Hello and welcome to Overthinking with Dennis. My name is Dennis, and today I'm discovering another new artist that I've been recommended to for my love of vocal range. And a lot of the comments that I had about him was about Dimash. Right, Dimash. I think I'm pronouncing it right. But a lot of the comments said that he is probably one of the greatest vocal talents on the planet. So I've heard a lot of really great vocalists over the past few months, and this had me really curious. So I looked up a brief overview just so I can have an idea of who he is. And this is what it came up with. Dimash is a globally renowned Kazakh singer, songwriter, multi-instrumentalist. Celebrated for his massive 6-octave vocal range. He effortlessly transitions between classical, operatic, and contemporary pop. Born into a family of professional musicians in Aktobe, Kazakhstan, Dimash has performed in 16 languages and amassed a dedicated international following. His vocal range, a tenor altino, he blends classical technique with contemporary pop, making his live performances like his celebrated rendition of SOS and French words that I'm not even going to try to pronounce. I'm learning like 2 other languages right now, and I don't want to mess with that. Go viral, but that SOS rendition has gone viral globally. Yeah, I noticed that. But yeah, I don't think you need any more hype than that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Please make sure you like and subscribe before you leave. That's the best way to help the channel. And if you want to get early access to this, you can check out my Patreon or YouTube memberships. Okay, ikimashou.
Pourquoi je vis, pourquoi je meurs, pourquoi je ris, pourquoi je pleure. Voici le SOS d'un terrien en détresse. Plus j'ai mûri que sur terre, je me très beau sang.
Oh my God.
Soldat de ma peau, chaude révolue, montagne avare, sans jamais s'attrape là-bas, au pauvre tonneau.
What the hell? It sounds like there's 4 different singers in there. I don't know if I've heard people do that really soft, kind of pained vocal before, but never like that. And then he dropped several octaves and had just deep booming voice that is like, oh, what is going on in my brain? I whatever. Holy shit.
aurait suffi pour que je meure. Pour que je rie, pour que je pleure.
Oh. What just happened? That oh my gosh. That was easily the greatest performance I've ever seen. That's the kind of voice that would bring us lay people into opera. I know opera singers have these crazy ranges that are just all over the spectrum, all over the scale. I mean, not spectrum, but to have all of that in a single voice, it's just magic. That was absolutely incredible. I honestly don't know what to say. I've been dumbfounded before by artists, but not like this. This is something different. I'm running through performances in my head that I've seen that were just amazing, and I don't think they even compare to what I just saw. That was just wow. Just wow. I I don't know what else to say. This voice really has me speechless and floored right now. I feel like I'm floating and I'm just completely out of it. I feel like I've heard that song before though. So that's got to be a famous song that he's doing a rendition of. Meant to French written by lyricist Luc Plamondon. Composed by Michel Berger, 1978 for the rock opera Starmania. Wow. That. Yeah, you know, I don't know what else to say. I I think he said it all. And the song, I know I've heard this song, but the lyrics were, they had me teetering between the lyrics and his voice going up and down the octave scale. It had me in tears several times. Luckily, I caught myself because I was ready to just burst into tears and just give into the enormous beauty that is this song and this performance. And I kind of held myself back just because I broke down on camera before and it's not fun and it takes a while to recover, and I didn't want to do that. So I did hold a lot back. But I think every time I listen to it now, I will probably bawl my freaking eyes out. Because that was just a masterpiece. And I have, since I started doing music on this channel, I don't think I've maybe used masterpiece once, maybe twice. And that's a lot. I've posted a song every day for almost 4 months, so 3 or 4 months. This is, wow. Wow. Okay, so I saw a list of his other songs as far as, excuse me, the ones that he's famous for, so let me know which direction I should go as far as what's the next song I should listen to from him. Because at this point, I will listen to anything he does just to hear that. There's something magical about it that I cannot quite explain. It's just so beautiful. It's amazing. But thank you guys for joining me and indulging my silence and stunned expressions, because there wasn't a lot I could say. There really wasn't. I don't think I've heard talent like this in a single song. I've heard artists that can go to those places, but never this type of vocal display. I don't think I ever will see this again. This, someone like him again. This is nuts. Wow. Anyway, thank you guys again for being here and for whoever suggested this in the first place, because I just absolutely love it. Really do. The song and his voice it's amazing. Alright, I'm gonna go try to find my wits somewhere. They're scattered all over my house now. So I'm gonna go pick up those pieces, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. It's the best way to help the channel. Okay, take care everyone. Matane.